Thought groups and focus words. When sentences are longer, they're divided into thought groups. Thought groups are words that naturally belong together as a grammatical unit. We instinctively pause between thought groups, although the pause is not as long as when there's a comma or a period. Here's an example of a sentence that is divided into two different thought groups. I like bacon and eggs early in the morning. It's natural to divide this sentence, and it sounds better than if you would have said, I like bacon and eggs early in the morning, without pausing. Sentences for practice. Practice stressing the focus words and pausing between the thought groups.
I want to talk to you about something important.
If you give me your email address, I will send you the information.
Every time I stop by his office, he's too busy to talk to me.
I wonder how long it will take me to learn to speak English like you.
What did you think of the new restaurant that we went to last night?
He's been looking for a new job for a long time now, but he just hasn't found anything that he really likes. Conversations for practice. Telephone conversations. Practice these voicemail messages with correct word stress. Listen carefully to the melody of the sentences and try to stress and reduce the words. Notice the pausing between thought groups and the stress of the focus word. Phone tag. Hi, this is Mary. I'm sorry I missed your call. Please leave a message after the beep, and I'll call you back as soon as I can.
Hi, Mary. This is Mike. It's been a while since we last spoke. I hope you're doing well. I'm calling to see if you're free tomorrow. I'm going hiking with some friends, and I wanted to see if you'd like to join us. It would be great to see you. Give me a call and let me know if you're available.
Hi, Mike. This is Mary returning your call. It was great to hear from you. Sorry that we keep missing each other. Yeah, I'd love to go hiking with you. Let me know what time you're thinking of going. I'm looking forward to it. I should be home tonight after 7, so call me and let me know where we should meet. Note, individual speaking style or some circumstances can determine the number of thought groups there are in a sentence. The following speech has fewer thought groups because the speaker is a salesman who needs to deliver his message quickly. First, you will hear the speech without interruption, and then you will hear the speech again and have the opportunity to repeat.
Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson. This is Bill Jones calling. I'd like to tell you about a new product our company is selling. I believe it will greatly benefit your organization. We recently conducted a study on how your customers' needs are changing. We are able to help you run your business more efficiently and at the same time save you money. I think that the people in your firm would be very interested in our services. I'd like to set up a time to talk with you about how our company can help you. I can assure you that it'll be worth your while. When would be a good time for us to meet?
Contrastive stress. We also stress words to bring out a special meaning or to clarify what we mean when there is confusion. In this case, any word can be stressed, including a function word. Sentences for practice for contrastive stress. Each of the following sentences can be stressed in 4 different ways, depending on the meaning that the speaker wants to convey. First, you will hear a sentence and then the intended meaning. I don't love him.
But she does.
I don't love him.
I really don't.
I don't love him.
But I think he's a nice person.
I don't love him.
But I love the other guy.
I may drive to New York.
Not she.
I may drive to New York.
Maybe. I'm not sure.
I may drive to New York.
Not fly.
I may drive to New York.
Not Boston.
Contrastive stress for clarification. Notice how the stressed words emphasize a particular meaning or a need for clarification. Do you need a ticket to Paris or from Paris?
Did you say inside or outside?
I want 2 pieces, not 1.
It's under the desk, not on the desk.
The government is of the people, by the people, and for the people. Emphasizing auxiliaries to strengthen a point. Notice the extra stress placed on the auxiliaries to clarify or strengthen a point. You don't understand me.
I do understand you.
You didn't go, did you?
I did go.
It's hot, isn't it?
It is hot.
You've never been here, have you?
I have been here.
Dialogue for practice. Making an appointment.
Hello, dentist's office.
I'm calling to make an appointment for a dental checkup.
I have an opening on Tuesday at 5 p.m.
I'll have to work late on that day. Do you have anything on Friday morning?
I don't have anything on Friday morning, but I do have Friday afternoon.
Let me check. I think I can make it. Yes, I can. I can make it.
Would you like 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock sounds good.
Will this be your first visit to our office?
No, it'll be my second visit.